In this video, I'm going to show you how to share MyFxBook link. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on the very top right inside your MyFxBook account where you can see your profile icon, and then click on the settings. Now, to be able to get the link, of course, you will have to first link an account in here. I have an account here, as you can see, and then you want to click on invitations up top. And then here you want to select for which basically account you want to create a link. I'm going to click on please select, and I'm going to select my test account over here. And then here you can basically set your permissions. So whatever you want to be private or public, you can go ahead and switch everything by clicking private public up top, or you can go ahead and manually pick whatever you want to be public or private. After that, click on URL active and then click on regenerate URL. And then here it says, are you sure you want to do that? I'm going to head and click on yes, and then here is going to be your account. Basically, it's going to be your link over here, and you can then go ahead and share this, and this is your MyFxBook link. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.